Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Developer Tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is create account, contact and opportunity using Visualforce. Design a Visualforce page that creates the account, contact and opportunity records from a single page. To create a Visualforce page, we use controller, which makes it simple to customize the data by writing Apex code. So in this example, we are going to create an account and contact and opportunity from a single page that is designed by Visualforce. So to do the practical, just log into our Salesforce account, and to create the Visualforce page and Apex class, we need to click on setup, gear icon, developer console, right click, open link in new tab. So to create the Apex class, first we need to click on file, new, Apex class. I am creating the Apex class by the name Visualforce create account contact opportunity. Click OK. So in this Apex class, ACC of account type, CON for contact type, OPTY is for opportunity type, and here we are creating the instance ACC equals to new account, CON equals to new contact, and OPTY equals to new opportunity. Public page reference create. Here we are inserting the ACC. Create a contact for the above account. So for this we are writing this line con dot account id equals acc dot id and inserting con means contact. So next create a opportunity for the above account. So opty dot account id equals acc dot id. So for this particular account, it is going to create the opportunity and then inserting opty means opportunity. Return to the detail page of the account. So for returning to the detail page, we are using page reference p equals to new page reference, and in the bracket single quotes slash closing single quote plus acc dot id return p, and here public void reset account equals to new account, contact equals to new contact, and opportunity equals to new opportunity. So next we have to create a Visualforce page. Click file, new, Visualforce page. By the same name, I am creating the Visualforce page also. Visualforce create account, contact, opportunity. Click OK. So in the Visualforce page, first we are calling the Visualforce create account contact opportunity Apex class by using controller, then following Apex form, Apex page block, title. We are putting over here TML example, or we can go with create account contact and opportunity. Apex page block button, location top, Apex command button, value we are providing save, and calling the action create. So this one it is getting called. Apex command button value reset action reset, this one we are calling. Apex page block buttons here closed, then Apex page block section title account collapsible false means it is not going to collapse. Apex input field value equals to acc dot name. This should be in this format only. Account dot name, phone, industry, rating. Then this page block section is closed over here. Then next page block section starts. For contact, again collapsible, false, and for this contact dot last name, again this should be in this format only. First name, phone, email. Then page block section is closed. Again page block section is starting. For opportunity, collapsible is false. Here opportunity name, stage name, close date, and amount. Closing the page block section, respectively page block, form, and apex page. So save this Visualforce page. Click on preview button. So in the title we are able to see that create account, contact, and opportunity. This all is coming into a single page, and we can't collapse this, means account or contact or opportunity. So in this Visualforce page we are going to create account. For that account we are creating the contact and opportunity. So by this Visualforce page we are going to create account, and for that account contact and opportunity. So account name, Visualforce account, phone number, some random phone number, industry agriculture, rating hot, and for this account this is the contact I am creating. Last name Visualforce, first name contact, some random phone number, email vf@gmail.com, opportunity Visualforce account hyphen opportunity, stage prospecting, close date is today's date, and amount some amount. So click on save button. So after creating, it is redirecting to the particular account page. So we had given the name Visualforce account. For the account, phone, some random phone, account owner. Then on clicking the details, we are able to see the detail of account, rating hot, and industry agriculture we had provided. And while clicking on related, we are able to see the contacts, one contact, and opportunities, one opportunity. If all we need to see the detail, we need to click on this particular contact. So for this contact we had given the details, name contact Visualforce, account name is Visualforce account, phone number vf@gmail.com. These are the details what we had provided, and for this contact we had created the opportunity as well. So click on this particular account, come to opportunity, and just click on opportunity. So click on detail. So Visualforce account opportunity we had given this name, and account name is Visualforce account, amount is this one, stage is prospecting. So these sort of values what we had provided on the Visualforce page, that is coming into account, contact, and opportunity accordingly. So in the real time we are getting some of the situation that we have to create uh, that particular account related to that some child data. So we are doing like this only. Thank you.